Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are not my partner yet, just subscribe me. You will learn awesome things from me. However, in this video I am going to show you how to get free United States mobile number free for commercial use. You can call, text, and create accounts from using this number. Before get the mobile number, please watch the full video. Let's start. If you are Android user, then open Google Play Store. iPhone users, open App Store, or click link below description. Search TalkU. This is the app. Download and install it. I have already using it. First open, you need to create a TalkU account. It's simple step. Use your real phone number or email address. After creating account, click on me. Then you can see your credits and other things. Use my invite link, then you will get free credits. You can earn free credits from here. Daily earn tips and completing simple tasks.
She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never want to watch the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back.
Click get a new phone number. Then you can choose country as your wish.
I won't look back.
I am going to pick a United States number. In this page you can see the methods to buy a phone number. No need to pay. Click the more option here. Then you can see 250 credits for 1 year. Buy the mobile number using this credits.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.
Well, I got the mobile number. Let's see this mobile number work or not. I am going to create a WhatsApp account using this mobile number. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never want to watch the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're Yes, it's working good. Any question? Comment me below. Watch more tutorials like this. Just subscribe me. Thank you. See you again.